guys, welcome back to my channel. We're here with Sam.
Hi.
And we're outside in my front yard right next to the road. And we have these panda heads here and we're going to see how many honks we can get. So guys, it's about 11 o'clock in the afternoon. And we're going to see how many honks we can get. Our goal is probably 100 honks by the end of the day.
This speech is my recital. I think it's very vital to rock around. That's right. On time. It's tricky. It's the type. Here we go. It's tricky to rock around. To rock around. That's right. On time. It's tricky.
So finally, after many tries, we got our first honk of the day. Well, let's keep going. Guys, we got our second honk, and it was a really long, like, honk. But it was still our second honk, and we're gonna keep trying.
My life be like, yeah. My life be like, yeah.
Guys, for our school, school is out for some reason. I don't know exactly why. But for another school, it's obviously not out because there was a school bus full of kids that just honked at us. And then right after, there was another girl. So that's 4 honks and 1 by a school bus.
I got this feeling on the summer day when you were gone. I crashed my car into the bridge. I watched, I let it burn. I threw your stuff into a bag and pushed it down the stairs. I crashed my car into the bridge.
Guys, just went in to get a blanket. And we're gonna go get a snack. And once we get like 10 honks, we're at 7, so we need 3 more, and then we're gonna go take a 2-minute break. So we got our snacks: strawberries, apples, chocolate, yogurt, goldfish, chips, water. We're here with Gavin too, and he has another panda.
Hello, my name is Sarah. That's Sarah with
10 honks.
We gonna ride till we fall. When we
So guys, we're at 13 honks, and since Gavin come out, I think it's good luck because we've gotten quite a few. We did this honk side because we thought it would help us, and we're at 30 honks, and we got the cops. 2 cop cars drove by, and one of them honked at us, so that's pretty awesome. We just read 40 honks, and we had Gavin with a sign. We had Rock and Cohen with baby heads and panda heads, and us with panda heads. We are tuckered out, and we are going to go for 4 more honks and take a break because we're going to 50 because our goal is 100. And it's 12:30. It is so hot out here. We're waiting.
Shorts on after.
Yeah. After so many honks, and we're finally reached 50, and we're gonna take a break, and then we have 50 more to go to reach our goal. I'm so tired. Guys, we got back from the break, and we went into the store and got some candy and stuff, and now we're back at it, and so we're at 50, and we gotta go to 100. 60 honks, baby!
But I can't wait to go home. I'm on my way.
70 honks.
I wish I was a little bit taller. I wish I was a baller. I wish I had a girl who looked good. I would call her.
80 honks, only 20 left. So we got a different panda head because one of them rolled down into my ditch and got all wet. Well, we have 3 luckily, so me and Sam are out here. Honks, 95,
96, 97, 98, 99,
100! Big shout out to Gracie Friars because her dad, Adam, just drove by and was our 100th honk. That was awesome.
I've been having dreams